Hi, welcome back. This is part 2 of lesson 12.4 on matrices. So now we are going to look at scalar multiplication of a matrices, and we want to multiply a whole number by a matrix. So let's turn the page and see how that works. It's a very, very simple process. So we can see this example here. We've got 6 times this matrix, 4, 3, 2, 1. So this matrix is a 2 by 2 matrix. It has 2 rows, it has 2 columns. Basically, when we multiply using a single whole number, it's kind of like a distributive property. We're going to take this 6 and we're going to multiply it by each one of these numbers individually to create our new matrix. And that will give us our new matrix. So, for example, 6 times 4, that is 24. 6 times 3 is 18. And notice they must go in the same position. So this is the first position, so 6 times 4, 24 has to go in that first position. This is in the second position, so it goes there. 6 times 2, that's 12. 6 times 1 is 6. And there's our new matrix. Okay? Very simple solution. This next example, same thing. We're distributing this 3 to each one of these positions, even though there's more of them. This time now we've got a 3 by 3 matrix. It's got 3 rows, it's got 3 columns, and we can just distribute. So 3 times 5 is going to be 15. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 2, 6. 3 times 4 is 12 again. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 1 is 3. And 3 times 3 is 9. And we get a matrix of the same dimensions but with new products. So it's a 3 by 3 matrix. Okay? All right. So now let's look at this problem. Now we're doing a multiplication and subtraction problem. We still apply the rules of PEMDAS here. So we're still going to distribute this 3 into this matrix first, which will give us 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times 4 is 12. So this is our new matrix. And then we're subtracting this matrix of -1, 3, -6, 2. And so now we just apply our rules of subtraction. So 3 minus -1 means 3 plus 1. So we're going to have 4. 3 minus 3 is, or I'm sorry, let me back. Oh, sorry. 6 minus 3 is going to be 3. 9 minus -6 is 15. And 12 minus 2 is 10. And there's our matrix answer. And that's how we can multiply matrices by a single whole number.